So I'm starting off by applying my sunscreen. I didn't really want to use it, but I had to. I actually regretted using this sunscreen. I actually regret buying this sunscreen. Like if you haven't watched my skincare routine video, I use this sunscreen from Sunscoop. Like I've been trying a lot of sunscreens lately, but I don't like this one at all. Now after that, I am just brushing my eyebrows up. You can just use anything for this. I'm just using this real old mascara wand. I just picked it up and washed it. So if you don't have anything around, you can just use any old mascara wand. Just make sure that you're washing it before you use it. So now I'm using Smashbox Halo BB cream to clean up my eyebrows. Because I'm not using any product to fill them in, I'm just making sure that they look nicely shaped, and doing this actually helps in making them look as if they're nicely shaped even if they're not. Alright, so I just make sure that I'm blending it with my fingers as well. Now I'm using this stain from Body Shop. I will be giving you guys the name of it and the shade of it as well. This is a water-based stain, so in summertime I would recommend using a water-based cheek tint rather than using a cream-based cheek tint because of obvious reasons. You want to make sure that you're not using a lot of creams on your face in summertime, especially if you're living somewhere where the weather is really hot and humid. That's why I went ahead with this tint. I really like this tint, and the color of it as well. It kind of matches my skin tone. Now I'm curling my eyelashes, and to make sure you're curling all of them from the base, you want to make sure, let's just say you are curling your right eyelashes, move your head towards the right hand side, tilt your head a little diagonally upwards, and then curl them. Now I'm using this serum from Amazon. I got it from Amazon to originally grow my eyelashes. I'll be linking it down below. I use it first before I use my mascara, and this actually makes a huge difference in making them look naturally pretty and kind of makes them stay in place for a long time. Now I'm using this mascara, old mascara. If you like natural looking eyelashes, I would highly recommend using dried up mascara rather than using new mascara because I don't like the spidery look. And if you know any mascara which does not do that, please give me its name down in the comment section below. I am on a lookout for a good mascara which does not make your eyelashes look like a spider. But yeah, here just make sure that you're covering all the white part up with this dried up mascara. And yeah, that's what I do for my eyelashes. They're looking good, they're looking natural, like better version of my own eyelashes basically, but also they at the same time they don't look like as if I have tons of mascara on. As you guys can see the comparison, they look the same but they look better. Now I'm using this eyebrow gel, I guess, and I'm using it on the bottom lashes, on my bottom lashes, and it defines my bottom lashes. Like it's not really visible on camera, but it does define my eyelashes in a very natural way again. And whatever is left on my wand, I'm using it on my eyebrows, and I'm doing it on the other side as well. Again, you cannot really tell if it is actually doing anything for my eyelashes, but it does define, like in real life when you look at them, it does define my eyelashes really well. So that's for my eyes, very simple, straightforward. And I now doing my lips. Again, I always start with this lip pencil. I only line the bottom part of my lips just to create a shadow. So you want to buy a lip pencil, and the color of lip pencil should be really close to your own lip color, slightly darker than that. And then you want to also line the cupid's bow part of your lips as well. And that's how you line your lips, just to make them look pouty and not overly drawn. I also make sure I am lining the side part of my mouth as well, just to give my lips some additional definition. And that's how I line my lips. Once I was done with that, I was using this lipstick from Dior. This is Dior Lip Addict. I will be giving you guys the shade number, but I really like the shade of this lipstick. I was expecting it to be a little more moisturizing. It wasn't, but yeah, I really liked the shade. I think if I use some sort of oil before using this lipstick, it'll be good. But yeah, all in all, this lipstick is good. Like right now it looks a little bit red, but it is not. Like in real life it looks a little brownish. I don't know why my camera is not picking it that up, but yeah, that's how my lips are looking, pouty. I really like them like that. Now because my lips were feeling a little dry, I went to have with my K-Beauty lip oil. And yeah, you can just use any lip gloss if you want. And this time, at this point, I was done. I am here just showing you guys my new haircut. As I was talking about my first get ready with me video. Now just to top it off, I am using this perfume from Dolce & Gabbana. This is Garden from Dolce & Gabbana, and I don't know why people are not talking about this perfume. It's so good. It's like, it's really florally, but in a very sensual kind of way, and obviously really feminine, like florally, chocolatey. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I'm not an expert. But yeah, at this point I was done, and that's my whole look. I changed my top. The previous top I was wearing was really tight, so I had to change. But yeah, the whole look is actually complete. I really hope you guys enjoyed this really quick and really easy makeup tutorial. Give this a try. If you are somebody who's not into makeup that much, you do not like wearing a lot of makeup, give all the techniques I showed you guys in this video a try. You don't have to use the exact same products, but if you actually use the exact same techniques, I promise you it's just gonna make you look put together without using tons and tons of makeup products. So I really hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys in my next video.